Did you see that thumbnail? Oh my God, is that what made you come in? Well, I'm happy that you are here. Welcome to my channel. We are making a very simple seafood boil. I'm cutting a lot of corners and I'm making it really easy. And I'm even using a seasoning pack that's already mixed and all kind of goodness going on inside. So it'll be super easy. So let's jump into the video. So first I am boiling my corn. So I have water and I'm putting sugar because I like my corn to be really sweet. So that's that one. Over here I have my neck bones in there. I'll pour this first boil off. You see how it's kind of I don't know, like a little film on top. So I'll pour this out in a minute and then put fresh water. But back to the corn. It's so pixelated. I'm trying to see what I could do to fix the pixelate it. Okay, but that's how the water is. So then I'm just putting in some corn. And I'm only like boiling this stuff for a few minutes because I don't want it to cook all the way. So this is just a quick little boil on top just to get it a little tender, and then I will transfer it into the big stock pot type of thing I'm using. I'm also gonna put some potatoes on in another pot. Alright, so the corn is done. I probably let the corn go like 10 minutes if that. That's it right there. I think the problem people have with the corn is they overcook it. And then I have my red potatoes back here. Again, everything is just getting a little tender. It's going to all cook together with the seasonings and all that. Okay, you guys, so I just put this pot in here, and this is why I boil off my first boil anytime I'm cooking poultry, because as you can see, it's all kind of like residue inside. So make sure you pour this off and then start a fresh boil. Speaking of my seasoning, I'm using Red Magic Cajun Boil. This is not sponsored. It's really real. I'm a fan. So find them on Instagram. BR Cowboy. BR Cowboy. Baton Rouge Cowboy. So yeah, if I'm gonna cook it, I want to get as authentic as possible. This is my Cajun Boil. So I have this turkey fryer that also doubles as a seafood boil type of concoction pretty much, and the first thing you want to do is fill it up to the max line with water. That's what I'm doing now. So it has like little grooves on the side that'll say where to fill to. So that's what I'm doing first. And then I'm going to add my seasoning pack in a minute. I'm only doing like half a pack because I want to taste it first. Before I put too much and it's too like salty. Probably is. Let me taste it. I'm trying to get you all up in there so you can see all this goodness. Let me know if you can see it. Yeah, I really said let me know, as if you can let me know. We'll know together in a minute. So I'm just gonna stir it. If you listen carefully, you can hear that boil. You can hear the water boiling. Not no more because I stirred it. But ooh, the spices. It has a little spice going. So let me show you the seafood. Alright, so let me show you the seafood. I don't have a whole lot. I have enough, but not a whole lot because, you know, it's only me and probably 2 of my sons that'll eat it. My little son. So we have some crab legs, snow crab. I prefer snow crab because they're sweeter to me. Some crawfish, some tiger shrimp right there. And then I have some lobsters right here. And there's also some soft-shelled whole crabs. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put this with the meat and potatoes, the turkey necks and the potatoes and corn. We're gonna put it inside. So let's go. We're gonna need a camera crew in a minute because this is a hot mess. Trying to get these angles. I'm trying to catch these angles. I really just want to pour it all in there, but I'm gonna be responsible and not just pour it and jump back so it splash everywhere except on me. That would be real immature. We're gonna put our crab legs. And like I said, I did clean everything. I did a vinegar bath with lime and lemon because that's what I always do. Ooh. Okay, you're getting fogged up. Okay, that might be better. I'm gonna put it in. Oh, you guys know what I was supposed to do? Never mind, it's too late now. We're not even gonna say what I was supposed to do because there's a basket, but I didn't put it in the basket, but whatever, we just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna load these in and then I'll show you guys. Alright, so here it is. I know it's not the best angle. Let me try to get you a little better angle. Good Lord. Okay, there's our angle. I'm putting in like 2 garlic cloves. Then we're gonna let this go for like 15-20 minutes. That's my turkey neck right here. And then all the other goodness is in there. And then, yeah, I'm just gonna cover this and let this go. Gonna keep my glasses on, y'all, because it's just too much work to go back and forth between no glasses, no much. But I want to taste the sauce, you know, like the boil, and see how it tastes. So wait for me. Have a little bit. It's spicy, y'all. Ooh. It's good though. Hold on. Don't use the spoon again, you guys, after you taste it, but you know that, right? Okay, so we're just gonna let that go. I'm gonna get the packet that I'm cooking my lobster with, like my seasoning packet. I'm gonna get that prepped so I can cook my lobster and my soft shell crab, so that everything's ready at the same time and then we could just eat. All right, I'll be back. Do you want to see that part? Yeah, okay, I'll show you that part. Okay, so here's our lobster and the soft shell crab. Don't mind those. I'm looking at them like, do I want to eat you? I'm not sure. So my hands are clean. And then just kind of get it out like that. See? Hangs out. It's like that. So, yeah, just gonna do that to all of them. Okay, so I have my cornmeal, just yellow cornmeal. And also I'm mixing it with my self-rising white cornmeal. I like the way that breading works. This has ingredients in it that the cornmeal, yellow cornmeal doesn't have. Okay, so let's put some eggs. Twins. Okay. Then you want to whip this up. And get it all mixed up. Set that off to the side. Make a little funnel for it. A little bit more. And then just kind of mix this a little bit. Grab your seasonings. Why am I making this on a plate? Let me get a bowl, you guys. I'm going in with a couple of seasonings, just a little pepper. I learned my lesson from my last video. I am not pouring it directly. Sazon, of course, right here. I'm putting a little garlic powder. A little or a lot. Some onion powder. Parsley, because I love parsley. It does nothing. I got a new one, by the way, so I gotta open it. I try to make my own parsley, but like not make it, but well, yeah, I like to dehydrate it myself. I have a video way far back where I showed you how I dehydrate them. I have a little parsley plant growing right now anyway. Then I'm adding my paprika. Let's give this a good mix. You want to dip it in your egg. I'll put a little milk just to thin it out a little bit. Just a little splash. So that wasn't even like a third, probably like a third of a cup. So I just want to thin it out a little bit. Just like nice and thin. Because you don't want it to just, you want it to be a little tacky, but you don't want it to like be like yolky, you know, like from the egg yolk. So just submerge your lobster. And they're all over it. I like to eat a little bit of the shell too. I know that's bad. So get it all over. So you see how it's tacky, like it's sticking to it, but it's not like a yolky. So just let it drip, and then you want to transfer it into your seasoning. And we're just going to repeat this times however many. So let's open it up together and see how it looks. By the way, if you're wondering why didn't I use sausage, because my necks took the place of the sausage. Now usually I wouldn't have put it on newspaper, but when you travel throughout different parts of like Maine and New Orleans, they put it on paper. So I just wanted to do it in traditional fashion. Here is my boil. All done. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just in case you're curious about a butter sauce, try to use this one. When you make your sauce, incorporate smart balance if you don't want to just go in with straight butter. So yeah, that's that. I'll see you guys next video. Take care.